I am Lakshmi and this is Career Educators. In the video, exercise 7.5 la irukra question number 7 solve panna porom. Question la enna kekranga evaluate the following limits. If necessary, use L'Hôpital Rule for the function limit x tends to 1 plus 2 divided by x square minus 1 minus x divided by x minus 1. இப்போ இந்த problem எப்படி solve பண்றதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Given limit x tends to 1 plus 2 divided by x square minus 1 minus x divided by x minus 1. First step la குடுத்திருக்கிற function நம்ம simplify பண்ண போறோம். That is x square minus 1 க்கும் x minus 1 க்கும் LCM எடுக்க போறோம். LCM எடுத்தோம்னா we'll get x square minus 1 numeratorல 2 minus x into x plus 1 கிடைக்கும். Next step la further simplify பண்ண போறோம். Limit x tends to 1 plus 2 minus x into x will get minus x square. Minus x into 1 will get minus x divided by x square minus 1. Next step la limit apply பண்ண போறோம். That is x ஓட placeல எல்லாம் 1 substitute பண்ண போறோம். 1 substitute பண்ணோம்னா will get 2 minus x ஓட placeல 1 substitute பண்ணோம்னா will get 1 square minus x ஓட placeல 1 substitute பண்ணோம்னா will get 1 divided by x ஓட placeல 1 substitute பண்ணோம்னா will get 1 square minus 1. Next further simplify பண்ண போறோம். 2 minus 1 will get minus 2 divided by 1 square 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1 0 divided by 1 minus 1 will get 0. 0 by 0 கிடைச்சிருக்கு இல்லையா? 0 by 0 is in indeterminate form. So we have to apply L'Hôpital Rule. According to L'Hôpital Rule, we have to differentiate numerator and denominator. So 2 differentiate பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு 0 கிடைக்கும். Minus x square differentiate பண்ணோம்னா will get 2x minus x differentiate பண்ணோம்னா will get 1 divided by x square differentiate பண்ணோம்னா will get 2x minus 1 differentiate பண்ணோம்னா will get 0. Next further simplify பண்ண போறோம். Limit x tends to 1 plus minus 2x minus 1 divided by 2x. இப்போ நம்ம limit apply பண்ண போறோம். That is x ஓட placeல நம்ம 1 substitute பண்ண போறோம். Minus 2x ல x ஓட placeல 1 substitute பண்ணோம்னா will get minus 2 into 1. Minus 1 divided by 2x ல x ஓட placeல 1 substitute பண்ணோம்னா will get 2 into 1. Next further simplify பண்ணலாம். Minus 2 into 1 will get minus 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into 1 2. That is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Therefore, limit x tends to 1 plus 2 divided by x square minus 1 minus x divided by x minus 1 is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. We have completed this problem. Further, உங்களுக்கு doubts இருந்தா descriptionல WhatsApp link கொடுத்திருக்கோம். Contact பண்ணுங்க. We'll support you. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.